2025 Mercedes-Benz GLS. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll absolutely love all of the included premium features such as automatic parking, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, panoramic roof. Call today to speak to any of our sales associates.